Okay. Alrighty. Alright. That's all I need to do. Woo! Breaker bar 1. Tesla 9. That was my most concerning thing right there. Cool. Moment of truth. Is this the correct one? See what I'm trying to get to? I'm trying to get this into here, this into here. You see my dilemma here is that when I'm getting close, I can't put a bolt there. All I need you to do is slide that bolt right through here to here through there. Same thing with this. Okay. Notice they're prefixed, preloaded. Yeah. That's why I can only go so high. Sure. So that's what I just need. That's all I need. Oh, where's my hammer? Where's my rubber mallet? Here? Yeah, give it a smack around here. There we go. That's it. That's it. Woo woo. Look, just put this on. Oh my God, it was so easy with two people. Yeah, you know when you're trying to do two-handed, I get it to there, but I'm like, how do I grab the bolt and put it in there, right? Okay, that's loose. Okay. Now I need that bolt right here. Okay. Same thing. Oh, perfect, baby. Oh. That's it. That's all I needed. Those two. This thing. Yeah, this is freaking. That was that was it. I torqued these. I torqued that from backside. There she is.